Now, we looked at how to do keyframe animation with this cube, but you can also do keyframe animation with your camera. So I'm going to go inside the camera, and first things first, go to the first frame. So right at the start, we can see this cube, and I'm going to insert a location rotation scale. Now obviously we don't change the scale of the camera particularly much, but we might change the rotation and location of it. So let's move along here to about 80, and I'm going to move the camera to look at it. If I go insert location rotation scale here, this is going to be the end point. So you can see automatically it's filling up the gap, moving the camera. If I press play, the camera follows the cube. So that is putting keyframe animations onto a camera.